In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add editors on your YouTube channel. Now, by adding editors on your YouTube channel, you'll be able to give them limited permissions to be able to do some things, maybe to upload or change description, but they can't delete your videos. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. All right, let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your YouTube studio, and I'll do this by going to studio here. And once you are in YouTube studio, go ahead and click on settings. Now from settings, choose the option called permissions. And now here you have an option to invite anyone to be able to moderate or an editor to manage your channel. So go ahead and click on invite. And from here, go ahead and enter the email of the editor that you want to add. So I'll go ahead and add one. And then go ahead and choose the access or the permission you want to give them. So if you click on access here, you can give them managerial position or editorial position as you wish. So you're told for manager, they can view everything, manage permissions, go live and create, edit and delete content. However, for an editor, they can view everything, go live and edit content, but they can't manage permissions or delete your content. So I like to give the role to an editor. You can also go ahead and choose the others. We also have even just a viewer. You can add them. We have another editor with limited access. You are told here they have the same permission as editor, but can't view revenue data. So if you want to restrict your editor such that they can't access your revenue or your earnings, you can choose this. So I'll choose this editor, the limited version, then confirm by clicking on done, and the editor will be added immediately. Now you can see here the invitation is still pending, and the editor needs just to go to their email account and then they'll get an invitation link, which is this. So they have just to accept the invitation here. So by accepting, they'll now have a role. You can see they're told that the channel is a minute with AI and their role is editor, which is a limited one. So that's how you can add an editor on your YouTube channel. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.